Hello friends, I am Achal and welcome to my YouTube channel instituterank.com. So friends, today I am going to tell you about the topic Tips for Compulsory Language Paper in UPSC. Civil service exam conducted by UPSC consists of two compulsory language papers which are only qualifying in nature. But every year it has been noticed that around 10% of the mains aspirant fail to clear the language paper despite a decent performance in general studies and optional. The worst part is a failure in language paper will lead to non-disclosure of your score in other papers. Hence, it is advised not to complacement with language paper even though their scores are not added to the final total. The compulsory language papers in the civil service mains exams comprises of two papers. First is English language, that is of 300 marks, and second is any Indian language, this is also of 300 marks. Qualifying marks for UPSC language paper as per the UPSC 2020 notification, the minimum qualifying marks for both papers is 25%, that is 75 marks in each paper. Scoring this minimum cutoff is not that difficult given how simple the syllabus is. Let's have a look at the strategy to be adopted to tackle these two papers. UPSC compulsory English paper, the objective of the paper is to test a candidate's ability to read and understand serious descriptive prose and to express his ideas clearly and correctly. So let's understand the pattern of the English paper firstly. Pattern of question marks. First is short essay of 100 marks. Second is reading comprehension of 75 marks. Third is precise writing of 75 marks. And fourth is usage and vocabulary of 50 marks. Fifth is short essay. UPSC gives 4 general topics out of which an aspirant is expected to pick one and answer. The intent of this essay is not to test a candidate's in-depth knowledge regarding the topic chosen, rather the objective is to test whether a candidate can express his thoughts, emotion and opinion in English at a basic level. The word limit for this essay is 600 words. So a candidate need to prepare exclusively for this essay as the preparation done for GS and essay paper is sufficient. Regular reading of the newspaper will help improve your language and your writing skills. Structure your essay into three parts. First introduction, second body and third conclusion. This way your essay looks organized. Ensure that you brainstorm on the structure of the essay before you start writing. Now the second is reading comprehension. The key to scoring well in this section is to focus and read the passage thoroughly to grasp the gist of the passage. It's the essence, the theme and the author's opinion. It is advised to highlight some of the important points in the first reading itself. Then reading the question thoroughly and before answering read the passage again because the passage will contain direct cues to answer the question. While writing the answer, express clearly and concisely. Number third is precise writing. This constitutes the toughest part of the paper because comprising an essay is 1000 words into just 1/3 without losing very essence is a challenge indeed. Giving the task at hand, the time required also goes up. So the challenge is to efficiently compress the given passage within the stipulated time frame. Read the given passage carefully and understand the core ideas involved. Then prepare a rough draft which will contain all the crucial points. Later this can be made up into fill the box given. While filling up the box, be very judicious and try not to waste too many boxes for articles, a and the and preposition on, it, in, on. Now the fourth is usage and vocabulary. This section will contain various one-markers. Question range from correcting a sentence, supplying the missing words, using the correct form of verbs, writing antonym, synonym, rewriting the sentence as directed, making sentence as directed, filling the blanks, making sentence using phrases. As you can see, these questions are very simple and the standard is of matriculation of or equivalent level. Try finishing these questions as quickly as possible since they are not time consuming in nature. Time management. As discussed above, precise writing is the biggest challenge as far as time management is concerned. If you have good writing speed, the rest of the section shouldn't pose a problem.